monks in there. God, this is a tricky place to scout out. I think I'm gonna get monk over here. With MD guarding this corner. So I can use monk to go alongside this wall and finish up the guy here. And then perhaps somehow manage to sneak up the roof here. I really have no idea. Monk's at least a decent long range shot. Yeah, I mean even that is just out of range. Still out of range. Is the game really expecting me to do stuff like this? Oh, apparently it is. I'll go lie down. Yeah, he's bandaging, I think. Hiding behind the trees. Probably a good move. This area still seems clear. Yeah, it's going for lucky shots there. God, 5 shots. Whoa! I can't even spot him from here. It's really no good.
Enemies in circle.
That's not good either. Can I jump over this wall? I think... Ooh, it's a named guy. Jump over the wall, lie down. Thank God. Blech. Good here. Cannot get a shot on that guy. I'm gonna lie in wait there. Where's that guy shooting? Is he just shooting in the area where he just was? If so, it's pretty good good news for me. I think do I dare to move it, monk? Yeah, I'll have range. Great. 4 points. I mean, he should not be able to hit me from there. Actually, I think I'm going to call it a video here. I'm a bit knackered, so... And I'm kinda down on my luck since I let Monk die and stuff just went bad. Really bad. I hope the next video is going to be a lot more positive, like I find out a way to get to the roof people and do this stuff. I Maybe I should read up on some common strategies or something. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the videos regardless, even though I managed to completely screw up and managed to accomplish just about nothing, even in all this time, which is kind of sad. But I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.